Yes. Yeah, hi. This is Saurabh Singh, and today I'm going to tell what is machine learning. Okay, machine learning, according to Howard Alexander Simon, learning is any process by which a system improves performance from experience. Means learning is any process by which a system improve performance from experience. Like that, we have past experience. According to past experience, we can learn and we can predict future. And this type of machine, okay, same as machine learning. This is the concept of machine learning. Machine learning is concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Okay, machine learning is concerned with computer programs that automatically improve their performance through experience. Actually, machine learning using past experience and present experience. After that, machine predict future. So that is called machine learning. After that, I'm telling you why machine learning. Okay, the second one is why machine learning. Why now? Just I'm going to back. Yeah, why machine learning? Develop systems that can automatically adapt and customize themselves to individual users. Means develop system that can automatically adapt and customize themselves to individual user. Discover, this is personalized news or mail filter. Okay, discover new knowledge from large data set. Actually, we have past data set and present data set, and we can discover knowledge. Means we can discover future using this database, past database. Like that, for example, market basket analysis, DFS and VS. And for example, um, how many chances the purchase of water with that with the bread. If you purchase bread, and how many chances he will purchase water. So that is called analysis, and that is called predict probability. Okay, best example here is basket analysis. Okay, like that, y1 to 2 means y1 to purchase जो that is offer ability to mimic human and replace certain monotonous task which requires some intelligence. So that is part of deep learning. And I'll tell you what is deep learning. Actually, deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. Okay, ability to mimic human means able to learn how to work human brain and replace certain monotonous tasks. And how to work human brain, same as machine learning. Okay, which requires some intelligence. Okay, like recognize handwritten character. Like that, you have written any character. Okay, after that, it will recognize what is your character. like that 1 2 3 7 4 A B C. That is called recognized handwritten character. It is the best example. Okay, and many more applications in deep learning, machine learning, but I'll tell you in next videos. Okay, and develop systems that are too difficult, expensive to construct manually because they require a specific detail, skill or knowledge tuned to a specific task. Knowledge engineering bottleneck. Okay, develop systems that are too difficult, expensive to construct manually because they require a specific detail, skill or knowledge. Means if you work manually, that is expensive. Like that, some work is more expensive if you do that by human. Like that, some construction work, like that, loaded work. Machine is fast with, and some calculation. If you don't want to use calculator, then people if calculate huge amount of data, then people will take time, and machine is very fast in this task. Okay, so and more expensive and difficult. That is called why machine learning slide. Okay, and what is the use of machine learning? Why now? अब क्यों? Means flood of available data, especially with the advent of the internet. Okay, flood of available data means we have huge amount of data right now. Before 10 years, we have not huge amount of data. Then, according data means flood of available data means we have huge amount of data. So that is the reason. Increasing computational power. Increasing computational power means increasing technology, like that robotics and many machine learning applications automatically work after programmed. Growing progress in available algorithm and theory developed by researchers, and increasing support from industry and some need in industries. That is why now. Okay. And right now, ML applications. ML applications is lot of applications in ML. Multimedia, security, handwritten recognition, recommender system is the best example of machine learning. Customer relationship management, image processing, natural language processing, text summarization, text analysis, and text mining, computer security, many more example, computer vision, marketing, manufacturing. Okay, and main role in the pharma, banking sector, many any other examples. Okay, and I'm going to next slide. The concept of machine learning in ML system. Learning equal to improving with experience at some task. Improve over task T with respect to performance measure P based on experience E. Means learning equal to improving with experience at some task. Improving with experience means after using past data, we will use improvement your future task. That is called learning. Okay, and in this machine, that is called machine learning.